Namaskar, I am Commander Ashok Raut, National President of National Agitation Committee or NAC. Friends, I would like to talk to you today regarding the fast which we are observing, one day fast which we are observing on the coming 1st June. This fast will be observed throughout the country. You have to do this fast in your house only. Take the photograph. We will send it to the Honorable Prime Minister or PMO's office and also to your MP along with one SMS or one sentence which will be given to you. Friends, you are aware, all over the country we have done thousands of agitations. But to no avail. Nothing happened. However, with the initiative of Honorable Hema Malini ji, we met the Honorable Prime Minister on 4th March 2020. We conveyed him about your pains and your feelings. And after listening it for half an hour, he gave us a solid assurance that your demands will be fulfilled. Not only that, he told the concerned ministers to do it. And the procedure actually started, the meeting started in front of us on the same day. However, now it is almost more than a year past and nothing happened. Now this is little painful. However, we understand our decision got delayed, our implementation of the whole process got delayed because of Corona. But the second reason is very worrying. Why we got delayed? That is because of the very, very cruel policies of EPFO. EPFO, he purposefully, on purpose, he delays everything. He gives wrong feedback, wrong feed to the court, to the parliamentary committee. He gives the wrong figures. He had kept his own order for implementation of court's order and he kept it in abeyance by second order, which we burnt copies of which on 6th April all over India. We have to snatch or we have to request whatever could be the procedure or whatever could be the way, but we have to get it done. And we request to the government with folded hands that during this monsoon session or before that, our demands must be agreed to. Because every month 5,000 EPS 95 pensioners are dying. That is statistics. And with Corona, this figure is even more. So whoever is listening to these videos, those who are concerned, we request them, please kindly look towards these senior citizens who had paid every month for their pension and they are not getting it. We are not asking for any alms or we are not begging. We are not asking for any subsidies or anudans. We are asking our own money to help us in old age. So on this 1st of June, we all will fast in our house with our family members. We will take photograph of it and whatever sentence is given to you, please write that or your feelings you can write, and that photograph via social media, whether it's WhatsApp, Twitter or whichever way, it will be sent to the PMO and also your respective MPs. Tell them we are your voters. I know because of your efforts, all leaders' efforts of NAC, the Honorable Prime Minister given the assurance, many MPs across the party line actually took this issue up in the parliament. So that's a good sign. That's a very good sign. And now with this particular agitation which will be throughout India, we will show that our strength, our prayers have strength, and our strength as a figure is also big, and this Janabhavana, this particular public sentiments cannot be ignored in the democracy. I request those who are not able to do the fast because of their ailment, because of if they have diabetics, or maybe they are more aged, please do not do fast, but pray. In whichever religion you are, whatever procedures you are following for that Almighty's request, do that and pray. Pray for everybody, all EPS pensioners, because I know most of our EPS pensioners don't even have the small phone. It's very difficult to reach out to them, especially in Corona time. Pray for them. Pray for even the government, that God may give them good senses, and the elderly people of the country should be respected. Those who are gone to court for higher pension, I assure you, NAC is standing besides you. NAC is for you. Whatever your sentiments, they will be conveyed through the agitations or the public sentiments. Through that, it will be conveyed to the rightful people, right people who are in decision makers. So even after the court's orders, the implementation, the factory's agreement, your own company's agreement, there will be a lot of issues which you need an organization to fight for. So this initiative we should not lose. Another thing I would like to tell you, those who are working employees, please join this agitation, because whatever is present of these retired people is future of yours. 67 lakhs retired people, 6 crore are those employees which are presently working under EPS 95 scheme. The contributors and total industrial workforce in India is 19.33 crores. Such a big strength, how can you don't get justice? How can we not get justice? Come together. Forget about all your past and unions and departments and everything. Just fetch the result by unity and strength. With this, I'll end this request of mine. I wish you all the best for the coming fast. Everybody with full-hearted devotion do this activity. It will fetch you the result. Jyeshta Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, Sarvesham Mangalam.